Welcome everyone. Question on organic chemistry. The number of metamers is possible for the molecular formula C5H10O. Choices are A 2, B 3, C 4, D 5. Answer is B 3. Explanation we will see in the next slide. The given molecular formula is C5H10O. A total of 3 metamers is possible for this molecular formula, which are pentan 3-one, pentan 2-one, and 3-methyl-butan 2-one. In pentan 3-one, 2 ethyl groups are on either side of the functional group. In pentan 2-one, methyl is present on one side and propyl on the other in the functional group. In 3-methyl-butan 2-one, methyl is present on one side and isopropyl on the other in the functional group. These three compounds have the same molecular formula C5H10O and are from the same homologous series ketone, so they are metamers. Thank you for watching this video.